Hey everyone, are your Android apps crashing after a recent update? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Restart your phone. Restart your Android phone. A simple restart can fix temporary software issues after an update. Step 2. Clear app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, keeps crashing. Then tap Storage, clear cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your data. Step 3. Update the app. Open the Play Store and search for the app. If an update is available, install it. Developers often release updates to fix bugs after Android updates. Step 4. Check phone storage. Go to Settings, Storage. If your phone storage is almost full, delete unwanted files or apps to free up some space. Step 5. Update Android System Web View. Open the Play Store and search for the Android System Web View. Make sure it is updated because many Android phones depend on it to work properly. Step 6. Force stop and reopen the app. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, tap Force stop, then open the app again. Step 7. Reinstall the app. If the app still crashes, uninstall it and install it again from the Play Store. And that's it. These steps should help fix Android apps that keeps crashing after an update. Like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.